And how do I refrain myself from this perennial desire of touching dried leaves in a forest land, murmuring solemn tunes in a foreign land, kissing the snowy surface of the mountains, diving deep into the oceans, running with koalas, sleeping on the wet sand, and feeling the enchantments of the seas? Maybe the crimson rays of the setting sun cry for me too. And maybe landscapes possess something soulful to offer me. The cosmos awaits my unison with landscapes. Maybe being parted with nature, I exist so unnaturally. Hereafter, I shall rest in nature. Hereafter, I shall rest in nature.